So my name is Paul Jeffrey, and I'm the Programme Director for the STREAM Industrial Doctorate Centre, which is targeted at the water sector. Well, I am responsible for the overall running of the programme, making sure that the training components are delivered and ensuring that we have enough industrial sponsors each year, because we run a cohort system, one intake a year, and we need to have all the projects lined up by October so that the new cohort can start. So it's my responsibility to make sure that happens as smoothly as possible.
My name is Trevor Hillis. I'm known from the STREAM Industrial Doctorate Centre. My research is the operational management of wastewater collection systems, which briefly translated means I'm managing sewer blockages and flooding of the causes from sewers. Quite relevant at the moment, as you can imagine.
Well, we couldn't survive without the industrial sponsors. I mean, they're absolutely crucial and central to the role of an industrial doctorate centre. From the point of view of the STREAM IDC, we take sponsors from across the water sector, so from the utilities, from the consultants, from the tier 1 suppliers, equipment manufacturers, and we try to encourage them to collaboratively fund projects as well as do things on their own. So we might have 2 or 3 utilities sponsoring a project, or we might have a vertically integrated project where the utility and a supplier is also sponsoring a project.
Without the support of the water companies, without the water company involvement, there'd be no validation to my work, and there'd be no application for my work. So it's good to know that what I'm actually doing is contributing to the real-life problems that are encountered on a day-to-day basis in industry. Basically, there are 6 water companies which are involved in my research, and they've all agreed to support the deliverables from my research, as it were. And it's a lot of it is involved kind of liaising with each water company, finding out what their basically problems are, what they kind of need solving, and coming up with an approach to help remedy those problems.
Well, the EngD is important in the sense that it helps us engage with other industrial doctorate centres, learn from their experiences as well, share best practice. There's a lot of learning going on, I think, with EngD centres, and the EngD is an appropriate and active body to enable us to do that engagement.